If you're looking for grocery delivery options beyond Instacart, here are some of the best alternatives in 2025 that are fast, reliable, and worth checking out. You can start with Amazon Fresh. It is tied to Prime and gives you access to whole food products, personalized suggestions, and same day grocery delivery that's expanding rapidly across the US. Next, there's Walmart Grocery through Walmart Plus. This covers almost everywhere in the country and offers both delivery and curbside pickup with free deliveries for members. Then there's GoPuff, which is great if you need essentials quickly like snacks, drinks, or even household items delivered in around 30 minutes, often 24/7 in main cities. Also, Fresh Direct is a strong option in the Northeast if you're looking for high quality, locally sourced groceries and even meal kits with flexible delivery slots. If you prefer buying in bulk, Boxed brings that Costco style shopping experience right to your door but without needing a membership. All of these services offer something unique, whether it's speed, affordability, or fresher produce. Try them out and see which one fits your shopping style. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.